Hello and welcome to Bollywood Wala. I am Sonam. Dosto, I have a packed house today. I have Kavya, I have Janvi, I have Shubhu with me. All these three are my students. They are journalism students as well. आज हम बात करेंगे कोरियन शोज के बारे में, कोरियन वेब सीरीज हो, कोरियन फिल्म्स हो, क्यों इतना जनता को लुभाता है, and as compared to Bollywood content, why Korean shows have a really high hand or an upper hand in terms of content quality and also quantity, so to speak, and why is it so world renowned. So we'll start with who wants to go first. I can't say ladies first. All three are girls. So Shubhu, Janvi, Kavya, कौन शुरू करना चाहता है ये सभा?
We'll go in that order. Shubhu, you want to start?
Shubhu, you want to start?
Okay, I'll start.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll start.
Shubhu, first question: why do you like Korean shows, K shows? I'm not a huge fan, but given your interest, I am now eager and excited to start watching it. But tell me, why do you really like Korean shows?
Sir, Esa, there is not one reason. There are many reasons for it. And
Okay.
If you go to see, तो पहली बात तो like you mentioned when you start. So Korean drama में तुम्हारा एक ही season होता है and 16 episodes होता है. It is not like हाँ 8 season है या 10 season है. It is short and sweet and it's like तुमको पता चल जाता है हाँ इतना ये हो गया चलो it's done. Then mainly the one thing that I love, literally the one thing that I loved was जब तुम्हारा शो स्टार्ट होता है तो तुम्हारे फर्स्ट एपिसोड में सम फ्यू शोज में यू विल गेट टू नो द स्टोरी विद इन 10-15 minutes into the episode, but otherwise as soon as you complete at least half of the episode you come to know the basic gist of the story कि हाँ ऐसा ऐसा है. Whereas I feel personally that if I go to watch Bollywood movies or shows so to say it drags. तुमको बहुत वक्त लगता है बताने के लिए कि यार ये स्टोरी है क्या एक्चुअल में. तुम क्या बता, तुमको मर्डर बताना है या तुमको कोई लव स्टोरी बताना है या कोई ट्रेजेडी है या जो भी तुम्हारी स्टोरी हो वो तुमको बताने में इतना वक्त लग जाता है कि मतलब हम लोग बहुत ज्यादा क्यूरियस होने लगते हैं कि अरे क्या है. बट दीज पीपल इवन दो दे हैव टोल्ड यू इन द बिगिनिंग ओनली व्हाट द स्टोरी इज अबाउट, दे स्टिल मेंटेन दैट लेवल ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट.
Okay.
Their direction is amazing. Their cinematography is amazing. I mean, the shots they take, the way their actors express their feelings, their lead actors जो भी उनको cast करते हैं, पता नहीं मुझे, they are amazing. उनका जो emotion वो लोग लेके आते हैं on screen. मतलब personally, I have never cried many times while watching a show or a movie. But when I started watching these shows, मैं बहुत बार रोई. And the reason for that was मतलब I could literally feel कि हाँ इसके साथ ऐसा हुआ, even though probably मेरे लाइफ में ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं होगा, but I could genuinely feel myself in their place.
Wow, that's a very passionate Shubhu making a very strong case about Korean series. Janvi, coming to you, do you remember the first Korean series that you watched और क्यों देखा आपने? किसी ने recommend किया, ऐसे आपने देख लिया?
Actually मैं किसी ने recommend नहीं किया रहेगा, पर I was actually scrolling through Instagram and I came across my friend actually put up a post on a Korean web series called Crash Landing on You, and I just started reading the post about it, and actually I felt very interesting, and then I checked the rating of the show and it was almost like more than 7.8. So I like let's watch one episode, अगर पसंद आया तो और देख लेंगे. And I was so obsessed. I actually started watching it for the third time, and that was the best thing. Yeah, and it has only one season, and that's the best part. Like the story is like they actually come to the main story. They don't drag it like as Shubhu said. It doesn't have like 1, 2, 3 seasons. एक season या ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 2 season में they finish up the series. So that's the best part. And it's like कि मजा आता है ऐसा देखने के लिए, especially the romantic ones are the best ones, and actually I cried while watching one of the series. So that's the best thing about Korean dramas. And actually I'm not so fan of Korean dramas, but I've watched like 2-3 series and it's very interesting to watch. So I'm like और एक देख लेते यार, क्या ही हो जाएगा ऐसे.
Okay. Kavya, you are smiling. Tell me, what is it about Korean drama that really touches your heart every time you watch it?
Well, about Korean drama, I really appreciate that there are so many elements that are so, like perfectly executed. Their fashion is amazing. They're really invested in the costumes of all their characters. You can see it because it's so like, the visual appeal of the entire show. You don't get such aesthetic anywhere, genuinely.
Okay.
And like looking at each character, they always bring in a reality check in some way. Like if there is a story about a rich guy falling in love with like someone who's in working class, she gives him a proper reality check that, like, you can't spend this much every day. Like, you see us, like, if I've cooked, you do the dishes. It's a very, like, normalized method of showing that, people come from different economic backgrounds. And it's always portrayed, you always see that, they normalize you not being extremely wealthy. And I
Okay.
appreciate that a lot because, when we see so many shows and so many TV serials, there's this large family in this large house, especially Indian television shows. If they're even trying to show some romance, well, I'm talking about soap operas that come on our television. We see these large families, sitting at home. Their biggest scandal is what did one person say to the other. And then you look at these shows and it has so much depth. Also, they have this thing where they have these side character stories also going on alongside the lead. So the supporting actors have a romance of their own going on. Many times you see the way each character has been written, it has a lot of depth. So they are, and I started watching this after, seeing the film Parasite. One of the
Okay.
supporting actors, she comes in a new Netflix show called Record of Youth. So from her, I saw the Netflix show where she's a makeup artist, and the person that she likes is a struggling model trying to become an actor. And they've been so real with the struggle, and like they've shown you that you become famous overnight, but you go back home, and when you see that your house was the place where you was living in that basement, you were living with sharing a room with your grandfather, and the whole family is eating the same food, वो same कुछ नया आया तो सब लोग split करके खाएंगे, किसी को पूरा meal नहीं मिलता एक साथ. Like that whole relation, it's so beautifully shown and not at all like demeaning. Like they're not showing this person's so poor, pity the actor. It's like, so what? He's not that well off, or she's not that well off. I like the way they've shown different economic backgrounds and kind of really like not made you pity one person. Unbiasedly, they've shown you like real, like a little bit of realness in a fantasy love story, kind of.
Okay. What is this one Korean show that all three of you have watched and have really, really liked it unanimously?
I think Secretary Kim, I think.
Secretary
What's
Kim?
wrong with Secretary?
No, Janvi hasn't watched.
Actually, I've just watched like a episode or half like that, but I couldn't continue more.
So what is it about Secretary Kim that you guys have really, really liked?
Oh, sir, everything that
I like the way
said,
Shubho's eyes
everything.
light up. Yeah, go
That
ahead,
is
sorry.
the first show that I watched.
Okay.
The first show that I watched. And as Kavya said कि मतलब उनका जो realistic जो चीजें portray करते हैं वो उनका culture they portray it so well. And even when she said that it's not like big large houses and all of that and everything, like they don't pity others and मतलब the people who are not so well off, मतलब the characters that they portray कैसे है कि वो जो डिवीजन वगैरह होता है ना उतना दिखता नहीं है. एंड टू बी वेरी फ्रैंकली ऑनेस्ट, I feel that I can relate more to their shows as compared to the shows or the movies that we have over here. I think Kavya will also agree with that.
Yeah.
But
yeah,
everything that they do, even about Secretary Kim, matlab, I have watched Park Min-yeon's many shows. I have watched, not many, I think 2 I have watched, and usme Secretary Kim mein her role was totally different, and her private life mein the character that she played was totally matlab they were complete opposites. Secretary Kim mein she's a very shy person, very मतलब ऐसे एकदम डर के रहती है and मतलब बहुत ऐसे शांत है, लेकिन हर प्राइवेट लाइफ में उसको देखेंगे तो लगेगा यार एकदम से उसका कैरेक्टर इतना चेंज हो गया. एंड इट टुक मी लिटिल टाइम टू एडजस्ट बिकॉज सेक्रेटरी किम में आई सॉ हर अ सर्टेन वे एंड देन इन हर प्राइवेट लाइफ आई एम सीइंग हर इन अ सर्टेन वे एंड इट टुक मी अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू एडजस्ट दैट ओके दिस इज अ शो Shubho, it's okay, you have to adjust to it.
Kavya, you felt the same?
And on top of that, Hindi songs bhi.
Songs are good.
Songs are also amazing. Amazing.
Okay.
At this point, I cannot listen to Hindi songs.
Oh God!
I absolutely cannot.
You're talking on Bollywood Bala. This show is right now going on Bollywood Bala. Okay. Anyways, Kavya, yeah, you are adding on to that point.
Yes, I think the reason why What's Wrong with Secretary Kim is something that all three of us have in common is because it is one show that has been so successful. Like the manner of it, the story is very simple. It's this boss and a secretary, very ironic love story. But for them to take this simple concept and like go places with it, also you, I think for an Indian audience, we are not quite used to them having kind of cartoonish comedy in a little bit in their series, but you know, you adapt to it. You start to adapt to it, and you're like, you kind of deal with it. You're like, okay, this is something new. It's very like, there are different mannerisms. They have their hand gestures are so different, and suddenly you see some like sort of cartoon like clouds or something as to show like thought, or you know, sound effect, or to animate their actions a lot. But it grows on you. It genuinely grows on you. It's not like something that you'd be like, you won't cringe at the show at all. It would be different, but you would not cringe that much. And obviously, when you go to see a series that says that it's a romantic series, if you are not expecting romance, then you're only being like a stupid fool by watching a romantic series. So you would expect romance, and that's what they give you. Like, they genuinely do. And I think one point we all, us three girls, can agree on: all the actors look fabulous. They look
look at Shubhu.
Fabulous.
Yes.
I think their beauty standards is at another level.
And they rise our expectations, sir. Seriously,
yes.
Expectations are more than 100%.
Really?
Yeah, I can
Yes, sir.
beautifully. Yeah, sure. I think our expectations.
But good-looking girls as well as hot guys also.
अरे दोनों sir, all are nice. Sub,
not only the
everybody. Exactly,
And over
everybody,
there,
all of them. Even the
over
kids
there,
look
they
so
have
nice.
Even the kids
they
look so
have
nice. She
very
says, yeah.
high beauty standard. They genuinely do.
Okay, Kavya says they set very high beauty standards. Janvi, question for you. आपको कौन सा genre पसंद आता है? Romance, thriller, suspense, murder mystery, zombie, सब कुछ पसंद है कोरियन ड्रामा जो भी?
नहीं,
romance.
Romance, mostly it's romance, and I've recently watched this series called Crash Landing on You, and I would recommend you to watch it, sir. एक दिन में आप खत्म कर दोगे, and it's too amazing. I'll recommend it to Shubhu and Kavya also. You need to watch it, and if you watch it like Crash Landing on You, अगर ratings देख के आप देख रहे हो ना सर, तो भी उसके ratings काफी ज़्यादा high है, and it's worth watching. फिर आपका time कभी waste नहीं होगा.
Okay, a question common to all three of you. You know, Bollywood has tried remaking Korean drama, Korean films into Hindi films as well, but it has never really met the kind of success that Korean films perhaps experience in their background, in their backyard. So what do you think goes wrong while remaking Korean drama into Hindi in Bollywood?
I think, so when, you know, a film or a story usually makes a big hit is because that's film and story is so unique. When you remake over there, you kind of lose the battle somewhat. Like if you're going to make something altogether, it's either you'll get the fans to pinpoint that तुमने ये exactly same नहीं किया, but तो ये हद से ज़्यादा same हो गया. Like it's like either your scene to scene was exactly same, or when you change even slightly, like, you know, any sort of remake, you're like, but the character, this character was played by a female, not a male, or you know, anything different, or this character is not this sad, it's not this depressing. There'll be certain like a preconceived notion in their head that, you know, any viewer who's been a fan of the show and it's getting remade in India, then it's completely wrong. But what I would think that Indian shows need to kind of adapt to is the manner of like showing I think realness in a very normalized tone. Like either you see films like Gully Boy and you're like, okay, so there is, you know, people from different backgrounds who can get famous overnight, but you don't need, everything doesn't need to go that drastically down. Like it does not need to be like, you know, from rags to riches all the time. It's completely fine if you are not from a wealthy family and you still can have a happy life. You know, I don't think anyone from the middle class is that depressed. I mean, we have struggles. It's completely okay.
Okay,
So
but going one
normally.
Yeah, but going one step further, all three of you, I mean, this is just a hypothetical question. Is there one Korean show that you would like to be seen remade in Hindi? If yes, which one?
Actually, no.
No?
It will lose the authenticity of it. Authenticity चला जाएगा.
क्योंकि सर कैसे है ना वहाँ पे if you I have watched so many videos and vlogs now that when you ask people over there कि how do you like Korean dramas or how many Korean dramas have you watched or do you watch it on a regular basis and all of that, so they say no, we don't like it so much because यहाँ पे सब कुछ बहुत ऐसे you know दिखाते हैं कि लड़के इतने romantic हैं ये वो, and reality में ऐसा नहीं है. Whereas if the same question if they ask us, we will say no, Korean dramas are so nice, this that. And at the same time if you ask us about, you know, Hindi shows or Bollywood ka movies or any shows or series, we will say nahi yaar isme maza nahi aayega. But if you ask the same question to them, they will say are ye bahut acha, because I've seen a vlogger, he watches CID and he loves it. I'm like, kaise? That is because
I
agar
think
wo
we
log
are
wahan
going
ka,
into a little bit of a different comparison. I don't think we're comparing Bollywood to Korean shows exactly, because we have not hit the same genre at all. Like
true.
our idea of romantic TV shows, of late, there hasn't been a pure romantic TV show that has come out. There's always been something like a bit more to it. It's
Drama.
either been like murder mystery and then some love, or it has been some like, you know, a really like a serious show and then there's been a part of romance, but not a pure romantic show. There's been that.
There's always a villain. There's always a
Yeah.
villain.
There's
Okay.
something happening apart from like just pure romance. And I think
Okay.
that, you know, for an Indian audience, we don't want a Korean show replicated, because they really show their culture so much, which we would not be able to relate.
Exactly.
We don't
We don't
identify
have
with their
that.
culture so much. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
we appreciate it, but it's not us. It's genuinely not us. What I think Indian audience would enjoy in a Korean show is they are in ways quite conservative. You would not see that much nudity in their shows. You would not
Okay.
see, you know, a lot of like a lot of kissing scenes, a lot of make-out scenes. You wouldn't see that
Yes.
much. They have a conservative audience. So for an Indian viewer who has the same conservative mindset, them watching a Korean show would not be too much for them. It would just be a simple subtitle that they need to understand. That's all.
Yeah.
Like beyond, they would be able to get the show completely.
You know, I've watched very less Korean shows, but I remember seeing Parasite, and it did have certain scenes, you know, as compared to
The movie, sir.
Movies.
yeah, the movie.
Movies
Okay.
have,
But
sir,
the drama,
shows
the series doesn't
don't
have, is what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, my bad. All right, great. Chalo, जाने से पहले, Kavya, one show that you would like to recommend all viewers of my channel that they can watch anytime, any day, Korean show that they will enjoy absolutely.
Run On.
Run
I
On.
think
Okay.
that's
All right. Crash Landing is Janvi's choice. I know that. Do I need to ask her again? No, she's nodding her head. Shubhu, which one would you recommend all my viewers to watch? Korean show?
If you want to watch something very popular and which has released in recent times, then you can watch Vincenzo, or else you can watch Descendants of the Sun.
Sorry,
If you
what is
don't want
that?
to watch something latest, Descendants of the Sun.
Descendants of the Sun. Okay, all right. Thank you very much, Kavya, Shubhu, and Janvi for being part of this absolutely amazing conversation. See you
Sir,
soon.
I would
Thank
like
you,
to
sir.
add
Yeah.
one sentence.
Bolo, bolo.
Sir, I would add, like, the viewers who will watch this video on YouTube, I would like to say, like, please don't remake any of the Korean dramas in India. Please don't remake.
That's a warning coming from Janvi to all aspiring filmmakers, all future filmmakers, all current filmmakers who are planning to remake any Korean drama. Please don't do that. That's her thought, absolute thought. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. No, gentlemen, thank you very much, ladies. And we'll see you soon with some other debate very soon on my channel. Till then, ta-ta.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.